and which problem, that is going to be the most important thing. So first you have to identify people whom you want to target and which problem you are going to solve. If you are able to identify the problem statement rightly, solutions are there. So first you have to work on identifying the problem area where people really want your support.
For the students, it's very easy to see what they are thinking and how it formulates. Okay, so that's it from my end. And every day, every evening, I will be there in the session with our experts. So 18, 19, 20, I want a big success for IIC Techno India Main Salt Lake campus. Thank you. Lot of students are here. So quickly I will take you to the journey. Today onwards, 18, 19, and 20, 3 days, we are going to conduct the concept session basically, which starts from problem identification, validation, and it will take you till competition analysis. Fine? So this is a very baby step towards a boot camp, as because we had a lot of restrictions of times and all. But the next boot camp, I would rather propose that ideally we conduct a 10 hours boot camp, 5 days, 2 hours each day, and the outcome is more robust. It starts with a problem identification and comes up with a deck which you can present in front of your funding agencies, different Smart India Hackathon programs for procuring funds and all. So these 3 days we will have sessions in the evening. My request to the volunteers that please ensure all the students come, join, and there are a couple of hygiene work which needs to be done before they submit their work and submissions, which we call
So these kind of aspects also we should focus on in future.
MOU was formally executed on 11 June 2025 between IIN CIP Technology and Innovation Council and IIC Technomen Salt Lake. Senior management had already known these things. And the second thing, TMSL as the mentor, Higher Education Institute for the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 guided 2 schools in this year. Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Ichhapur and Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Kashnapara in the first time. After that, 2 teams from TMSL have been shortlisted for the Jukti Innovation Challenge 2025 and will participate in the round 2 pitching session on 25th November at JIS University. This session will determine their eligibility for the next stage of AICT funding support, enabling them to advance their idea from the innovative concept to the successful startup with incubation assistance. The shortlisted projected are number 1, MediGuardian AI-powered smart medication box by student of the AI.
So these kind of aspects also we should focus on in future. So I wish